Hello everyone. Now if you really want to know how Jamaicans can go wild, you must watch this video. Now this lady thought it is in her country where she can do all this. Now it really went down to be so bad. You can't just come to Jamaica and go and dress yourself, be naked in an airport and think all will be well. Now let's watch this video, come back and give a quick discussion about the same. It is very crazy scenes in this video. Instant karma, we can call it, for this lady.
The video of the lady at the airport. I am surprised that I saw that on IG. I thought IG won't allow them. I saw my face the entire time. Oh my God. Whatever happened there, I don't know if it was mental illness, if it was drugs, if... It is sad. And honestly, I don't think the police... When I see them type of video there in America, the man them can't touch you once you have no clothes. Like some people do that. Them take off them clothes because they know them can't touch you if you don't have any clothes on. My Lord Almighty, let me know what you think if you got to see it. Much love. I'm so sorry about that.
Mr. Jamaica always a keep. And I don't know what is wrong with some of these tourists when them come to Jamaica and then come and have them nice time. And the last day when them fi go home at them yard, then decide to them go create problem and create havoc. I'm not sure how much of you saw the video with the white lady in at the airport today at Montego Bay. The way all the woman strip off her clothes and her go on and all the man try to calm her down. She decides say, yo, she no want calm down. But what I'm concerned about, what if she did really get a hold of the police gun and actually pull it off and waste? You can't imagine how different that would went today. You can't imagine the amount of people that would have get shot. All when time they handcuff the woman and put her down on the ground, is like this woman decides, say, yo, a problem she a make today. Or probably she under the influence or something. I first me ever see them as something here. And me guarantee say if that did happen in the States, it would have went different. I don't know what is wrong with these people. God know me, I tell you no man. When you no come to Jamaica, you no come here and have a nice time, you no just go on back home. You no go on back home, me I tell you man, and go back home in a peace and tap create them friggin' drama and them unnecessary things that in no call for.
Hello everyone. Now it's high time we address the matters affecting us. It is high time we address the atrocities that comes around when so many people come into our countries. Now we have all known that black countries are those countries that obey and just do as some norms want us to do. Now it's not something interesting when we see people walking half naked or barely naked, and it is really fascinating to see these things happen in a black country. Now Jamaicans were really shocked about this, and others were even screaming because it is not the usual. It is not whatever we've really used to. Like we have seen so many Jamaicans going to social media to express their frustrations, to express their feelings about this. Now in their countries it's not to the utter surprise. It is whatever they are used to. They do this. We've seen people walking half naked, men wearing female garments, and it's very okay. Not for comedy, just maybe to capture the attention of people. Now, in all this mixed up, now they want to bring that into our countries, and Jamaicans were there to say no, we don't want this. Where are the police to arrest these people? Where is their police to arrest this woman? Because this is not whatever Jamaicans want. This is what they're used to, not us. Now, just like any other black country, Jamaicans really hate this type of vices. They really hate this type of people who come in and they want to bring their bad manners into our countries. They want to bring those rotten behaviors of theirs from their countries now to our countries. Now, we have had so many Jamaicans, and I was really impressed by this specific lady who went to TikTok and said, we as Jamaicans disown this behavior. However much it might have happened in our country, but we are so much proud that it never happened with a black Jamaican. It never happened with a local Jamaican doing this. Now, we know we have these freedoms, we have these rights, and we know my dress, my choice, all those. We all know and agree to that. You can dress the way you want. It's really okay, and whatever someone says about it, it's none of your business. But how do we want our next generation to behave? Like, the next generation will see whatever we do as, and if we really mess today, just be sure they'll mess the next time. And the society we build today really depends with whatever we do today. Now, if we want a better society, now we better behave ourselves. And if we never want to behave ourselves in a manner likely to suggest that we want a good society, we will have a very rotten society with those in it walking naked and doing whatever they want, because those who came before them really did this. Now, we behave and we don't walk naked because our forefathers, those people who came before us, really did a lot to have clothes, to have everything, like to have these garments. And it's not really in a black man's guidelines or norms to walk naked, and we have those body parts that we wear clothes to protect because we believe that are sacred. And when these things happen, we really have we question a lot about the integrity of some countries, about the integrity of some people. Now, it is not all about a country, it is all about a person. Furthermore, we might want to classify people according to their country. Now, we might say this country, people of this country are rotten. No. Their manners are bad. No. I think a country is just a land, an innocent land somewhere, but the people in it, the behaviors they carry along represents where they come from. Now, in this case, I'm proud of Jamaicans, how they really handled this. Now, they made sure this woman won't mess up with Jamaicans with the way she was undressing herself and walking naked just to attract the attention of people. Now, she was dealt with accordingly, and supposedly you might want to know whatever happened. Just know she was dealt with. Police came in, and we know after that she was removed from that scene, from where she was creating the scene. An airport is a very busy place where people come, land, and take off. Now, people of many countries might want to come into Jamaica, but if they see these things, they really mess up with the name of Jamaica in the international image. So let's just try to respect the countries we go to. If you go to Rome, I'll always remind you, do what Romans want, or do whatever Romans do. If you go to Jamaica, do whatever Jamaicans do, or do whatever Jamaicans want. Thank you so much for having taken your time to watch this video. I know it's been long since I associated with you people, but I really love your support. Thank you so much. One love, Jamaica. One love, my YouTube viewers. One love, US. One love, everyone. Let's protect the dignity of our races. Thank you so much.